The guerrilla trading strategy is a popular approach in stock trading that emphasizes identifying strong trends and using them to make profitable trades. Its key principles include trend identification, strategic entry and exit points, risk management, and patience. One real-life example of a successful trade using the guerrilla trading strategy is when a trader identified a strong uptrend in a particular stock using the strategy's trend analysis. The trader then utilized the strategy's momentum indicators to confirm the strength of the trend and executed a buy trade at an opportune moment. As a result, the stock continued its upward movement, ultimately resulting in a profitable trade for the trader. The successful trade was a result of analyzing the market conditions, including the trends, volatility, and key indicators such as moving averages and support/resistance levels. The signals for the trade were generated from a combination of technical analysis and market sentiment, which indicated a strong potential for a profitable outcome. The guerrilla trading strategy effectively identified high-probability trade setups by utilizing multiple technical indicators and price action analysis. This case study showcases how the strategy helped traders pinpoint optimal entry and exit points, leading to consistent profitability in the market. In our exclusive interview, we spoke with a trader who has achieved remarkable success by leveraging the guerrilla trading strategy in their trading. The trader shared insights into their journey, the key elements of the strategy that have contributed to their success, and the undeniable impact of disciplined execution. From identifying high-probability setups to effectively managing risk, the trader's experience with the guerrilla trading strategy offers valuable lessons for aspiring and seasoned traders alike. Traders employ various risk management techniques such as setting stop-loss orders, diversifying their portfolio, and using leverage cautiously to mitigate potential losses and maximize profits. When comparing the outcomes of trades using the guerrilla trading strategy with other trading approaches, it becomes evident that the guerrilla strategy excels in delivering consistent profits and minimizing risk. The strategy focuses on strong technical analysis and disciplined risk management, resulting in a higher success rate and reduced exposure to market volatility. In conclusion, implementing the guerrilla trading strategy in real-life trading requires disciplined execution and continuous monitoring of market conditions.